Hey there and welcome to the channel. I've got a new product that I'm going to review and you're looking at it. It is the KOM cycling bar mount, and obviously it looks like it's for a bike computer, in my case a Wahoo, but also it's got this great little adapter piece here, and you may recognize the piece on the bottom there, and that is for, let's get that in view, an action camera like a GoPro. I happen to have a GoPro 7 right there, and what this allows you to do is to quickly and easily, with the same functionality, quarter turn, remove your camera. So yeah, I've had a few in the past here. We'll go through them real quick just as a point of comparison. I just removed the K edge from there, and that's just a top mount computer. I have this is kind of a longer term piece. It's a GoPro product, very good one, but yeah, it does require, like with this one, it is a computer mount and a camera mount, to use the hardware that comes with it, or a GoPro screw like this. And yeah, you may think, yeah, it takes about 15 seconds to undo that, but yeah, it's just kind of a pain in the butt. And so I've been on the lookout for something like this, and I think it's going to be a great addition to the Grizzle. So yeah, let me attach this adapter to a camera and just show you how easy it is. Okay, here it is, attached to the GoPro, in this case GoPro 7, but doesn't matter. Yeah, you just line it up and quarter turn twist. So yeah, I think that's going to be super handy for a variety of reasons. You know, group rides, if you take it off to snap a few shots, take a little video, and always the group's gonna probably take off when you least expect it and you're not ready, so that'll be handy. Also coffee shop stops and bathroom breaks, that sort of thing. Yeah, you're going to want to be able to take this with you quickly and easily. Otherwise, you may just not want to take it on the ride, and you may miss opportunity for some cool clips and cool shots. So yeah, and so that's that. I'm going to take it on a little comparison ride, and the majority of my footage has been with the GoPro chest mount, otherwise known as the chesty. So I've got a kind of a permanent cage mounted on that, lined up with a little green mark on there, the right angle, and upside down as you need to. And with this KOM cycling mount bundle set, it's got a rubber mount here for thinner bars, so it looks like it'll accommodate a few different sets of bars. It is also Garmin compatible too, so those of you with the Garmin setup, you just swap out the particular, excuse the crazy camera action here, you just swap this black one out for the blue one, and you're set with the Garmin. And comes with all the tools you need too, 3 hex wrenches, and it's got a little bit more, you know, stealthy screw there if you don't want to use the GoPro thumb screws. And yeah, gonna take it out for a ride and compare that footage from that angle under the bar to footage from the chest mounted GoPro, and yeah, we'll see what we come up with. Okay, headed up to my little sand track here. And I think I've got the camera angled properly. I'll give it one more check. Okay, about to do some hot laps with the KOM bar mount for cycling computer and also a GoPro or some other kind of action camera of your choice. So I'm going to do some hot laps here, and a couple things I want to check out is the stability of it. Will the Garmin, will the GoPro fall off? Will it stay attached? And also I've got my GoPro chesty mount that I'm wearing too, and just want to check the perspective, see which perspective is better, or if I'm gonna use both. That's an option too on the same kind of rides. Right. All right, so let me know in the comments about that perspective, that view, and switch to the chesty mount to give you that view. All right, I've got the chesty mount on. Okay, what do you think so far? That's a couple laps with the chesty. Let me know what you think.
of that view or perspective. If it's better seeing a little bit of the bike out in front, or from the lower view, it doesn't matter. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Okay, it's back on the bar mount, hanging upside down underneath the bars. Take a little downhill here. See if the GoPro stability can take care of these bumps. Okay, I'm going to get back out on the road here and find a bumpy washboard section up here. Okay, here's a section here. It's got a lot of washboard, gravelly, and with random kind of potholes and drops. Let me know what you think about this view and the picture quality. Funny sheepdog up here. Hey buddy. I'll take this side. I'll take this side. Oh, hey, you're forgetting your ball. Morning.
Wrapping this one up with a double thumbs up. That's my verdict. Keeping it. I think it's working great. I reviewed the footage from this mount versus the footage on the chest mount, and this came out way smoother. Just a nice solid mount versus the chest mount that kind of jiggled. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description. Here is the box again. Part number is CM06CK-carbon. And yeah, if you found this helpful, you want to pick one of these up, give me a like and subscribe for some more content. Would appreciate it. I got some good stuff coming in the works here, and we'll see you on the next one.